Hey guys, Jose. Wanted to show you my new grinder. This is the PH 454 updated version, laser cut, 2 slots. I'm showing it here with the slack. I think I'm going to use this type of drive. This is made by KB Electronics. Basically the K-back, but it's digital, which has a couple options that you can set. For example, you've got your potentiometer and your stop start right there. You can set your XL, decel on this one. You got your jog if you want to just move it, and it'll stop when you're done. Of course, you've got your forward and your reverse. So if you're running it and you want to sharpen, it'll reverse. So let me give you a look. That's a slack platen. This one will have solid aluminum bars, hammer finish paint job. This handle here was something I put on, but I think it's just going to have a regular knob on it. Cut out. This one happens to have a Baldor on it. I think it'll come with a blue motor called Electromax, but you do have the option to upgrade to a Baldor on this one. And this is a 56C. Let me turn it around. Five-inch drive wheel, 1/4-inch plate steel laser cut.
Of great alternative music.
1983, a Sony Walkman cost $229, and this was on the radio.
Frame weighs probably about, I would have to say about 70 pounds as it is right now. That's with a 1 horsepower motor. I'm going to offer this with 1 horsepower, 1.5, 2, and 3 if you need a 3. Of course, the 3 is going to be quite a bit more. 1 horsepower, as you see it right here, with just a flat platen, and this type of drive, Electromax motor, will be roughly about $13.75 or $14.75, right around there, ballpark. But I don't think you can get a much better grinder for that price range. Completely variable speed, tracks wonderfully. Put a belt on this and I tried to push it off. So let me give you an example of that. Let me see if I can set this up here. Put a belt on it and I will try to force it off, and it just, the way I have it set up, the belt just sticks in place. Okay, let me make sure you can still see this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is push on the sides of it and try and knock the belt off. Oh, that was in reverse. There we go. As you can see, I really pushed into this belt sideways, actually twisted it quite a bit like this, and it just stays in place. The tracking is really good. It's very, very stable. So, thanks for watching. This is the new PH454 and KBDA drive.